na lahat ng boses mo. Dapat mo babae din.
Nakakanap ko eh.
So, kung sa candidate number 1, kinakabahan. Huwag kang kabahan. So, this is only based on your biodata. So, sila po ang sila ng kanilang biodata. So, I will be basing the question from their biodata. You wrote on your biodata, your ambition is to become a celebrity in Viva Max. Wow. What a very it's not exaggerated ambition, but for you, why to become a celebrity in Viva Max? Candidate number 1.
To experience a new world and a new life.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1, for your answer. So, ano lang scores? So, candidate number 2, kumusta ka?
Kabahan.
Saan mo binili yung ano mo, earrings mo?
Pinakawala.
Ayan. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. This is your casual interview. You wrote here, your motto is, education is the key to success. Will you explain it further? Why education is the key to success? Ikaw ang nasulat nito. Kinakabahan ka pa rin? Mag-relax ka. Baka makatake ka dito. Sige, candidate number 2.
As a first year student, I love cooking. Thank you.
Baka may pahabol ka pa sa doon. Candidate number 2. Lasing ka. Isko. So, kumusta ka? Once again, kinakabahan ka, candidate number 3.
Medyo.
Kinakabahan. Okay, huwag kakabahan. This is your casual interview. You wrote here, time is go. For you, what is time is go? Will you explain it further why time is go? Bakit dito ang oras? Candidate number 3. Oh, di ba? Ikaw ang nag-feel na.
Kalagitanan.
Oh, tatanungin kita ulit. Bakit ginto ang oras?
Bakit dito ang oras? Dahil goal!
Thank you so much! Pag mo nang ipa-translate, ha? Candidate number 4, kumusta ka?
Okay lang.
Nakainom ka ba? Ay, hindi. Not tubig. Hindi. Okay. I think namamakos ka na ngayon. Candidate number 4. So, based on your data, your ambition is to become a police.
Yes.
Why?
Kasi gusto kong maglingkod sa ating bayan.
Still your final answer. Thank you so much, candidate number 4. So,
Ayos lang po.
inaantok ka na.
Kunti.
Kunti, ayan. So, your ambition is to be a soldier or lawyer. So if you choose from the two ambition, what would you become and why? A soldier or a lawyer?
Pwede mong tagal naman.
Ano gusto mong maging? Isang sundalo o isang lawyer?
Ang sundalo.
Bakit?
Para gusto mapaglingkod sa bayan at
Okay na. That's your final answer. Candidate number 5. Tinitignan na ako. Candidate number 6. Dito ka na. So, candidate number 6, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, you're fine. Bakit ka may sombrero? Ayan, ganyan para makita yung beauty mo. So, feeling mo beautiful ka tonight? Yes or no or maybe?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes na yes. Ang babae. So, your ambition is to become a police.
Huli ko mamakla.
Tama? Tama o hindi? Baka ibang nasulat mo. Your ambition is to become a police. Oo. Yes or no?
Yes.
Bakit?
Para makatulong sa kapwa at mahuli ko ang mga masama. Thank you.
Ay, wow. May follow-up sana ako. Pero okay na, candidate number 6. Pero candidate number 7. Anong kulay ng mata mo? Bakit? Ha?
Hindi ko wala ka lang.
Ay, hindi ko nakapagsalamin. So, hindi mo nakita yung sarili. Bukas makikita mo. Kasi mabubos bukas, no? So, your ambition is to become a chef. Kapag may lulutin kang isang putahe, ano yun at bakit?
Kung pagpipiliin ko ako sa mga putahe na gusto kong lutuin, for me is adobo. Because dito ako magaling at ito ang nakasanayan kong lutuin. At tinitiyak ko po sa inyong lahat na masarap ito. Makakalimutan niyo ang pangalan niyo.
Yun na. Thank you so much, candidate number 7, for your answer. Ayan, candidate number 8, kusa ka.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Pag okay.
Nagmadali na maramante pulbos.
Ikaw pala si hindi ko alam kung Ana o Elsa.
Elsa daw ba, sir?
Thank you for your answers, but this is your casual question. Your ambition is to become a pilot or piloto. Bakit?
Kaya ko dito mayap, sir. Thank you.
Manananggal siya. Manananggal si candidate number 8. So baka mamaya, maybe pa na yan. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. May I have candidate number 9 for your casual interview. Ayan, our candidate number 9. Kumusta ka, candidate number 9?
Good. Not good.
Ha? Kinakabahan ka?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, talagang yung pag natin nababagay Mexicano. Mexicano si candidate number 9. So, your ambition is to become a future agriculturist. Okay? Bakit?
Pinangarap ko po maging isang agricultor kasi maraming tao na akala nila ang farmer ay madali lang pero mahirap po ito dahil marami po proseso sa pagtatanim. Kailangan mo pang mag-abono, maraming pera para may magamit para mabili ng abono
much, candidate number 9. So, tandaan nyo mga farmers, si candidate number 9 ang sasagot sa apuno ng barangay. Mga farmers. Thank you so much, candidate number 9. Joke lang po yun na. Candidate number 10, please join me here. Candidate number 9, last but definitely not the least. Candidate number 9, number 10, rather. Kumusta ka, candidate number 10? Ha? Okay. Okay lang, mahihiya ka. Ha? Hindi. Baka sinasabi siguro anong ginagawa ko sa buhay. So, candidate number 10, your motto is behind the food, all goods. Bakit? Ano mo nasabing behind the food, all goods?
Behind the clouds, there's an airplane na
Sarap pagkain.
iwanan.
Good luck. Candidate number 10.